We're on the trail. Haven't ridden this mare in months, and when I did ride her, it was bareback for a few minutes, so she hasn't had a saddle on in months. I did no lunging today, but I did do some warm-up riding. She's chill. Eee, pretty. We just went over some big logs, and Pearl's hanging with us. We got some water up here. I'm gonna pause it till we get there. Well, let's hurry up and get there. Let's jog. Nice little jog on the trail. All right, I think we're there. Let's see. Easy does it, mare. Gonna go stand in the water. Good girl, easy. Good girl. Good girl, easy. Good girl. There you go. Thirsty? And you drinking. Wanna walk in the water? Yeah. This mare hasn't seen a water crossing in a long time, probably over a year, if not more. Good girl. Pearl's playing. Got all you want? All right, up we go. Good girl.